A military career is a calling. Not all can hear it, but the selected few that do and choose to serve have my highest admiration. To have the military career Walter Yager had and to say it was amazing would be such an understatement. The opportunity to peer into the galaxy and reveal some of its secrets is such an inspiration. If I decide to answer the call to service, I can only hope to have an impressive career as Walter Yager.
We're on our way to better's ahead, better's ahead. It gets worse for it gets better.
Walter Stewart Yager always had his mind and eyes looking towards the stars. That drive afforded him the opportunity to attend Oklahoma University and graduate with a Bachelor of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering. He then joined the United States Air Force as a second lieutenant and continued his education. He earned a Master of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering from the Air Force Institute of Technology. During his military career, he served as a maintenance officer of the KC-135, an aircraft that was known for always being in the air for the Air Force Airborne Command Center. Later, as commander of the 65th 55th Aerospace Test Group and Space Launch Operations Manager, he supervised critical, high-value launches, including many classified surveillance missions. He integrated Air Force satellites with NASA rockets and oversaw launches of Titan, Atlas, and Delta rockets. His missions included the Titan 3C, America's first rocket that was returned to Earth for reuse. His drive and passion of aerospace engineering was paying off. It was affording him opportunities to fulfill dreams some may never even thought possible. Walter's next big opportunity came when he pioneered America's exploration of Mars. Use of the Viking spacecraft, it delivered satellites and landing vehicles to the Red Planet, which were critical to the mission's success. In 1977, his opportunity to explore space came when he supervised the launch of 2 Voyager spacecraft to research Jupiter and Neptune. The Voyagers are still sending data from interstellar space. Walter supervised the $4.5 billion construction of Space Launch Complex 6 at Vandenberg Air Force Base, California, a facility that would allow the launch and landing of NASA's space shuttle, including its piggyback flights to Kennedy Space Center in Florida. With Walter's keen mind and attention to detail, he was placed in charge of the Air Force investigation of a weather satellite mishap in 2015, and on the team investigating a 1980 fuel explosion inside the silo of a Titan ICBM. After retiring as a colonel, with the multiple awards of his accomplishments, he became Lockheed Martin Vice President of Launch Operations. This allowed him to continue to work with the Air Force and NASA on high-value and classified missions, including the spectacular Cassini mission, which explored the wonders of Saturn and its moons for 13 years. Walter has been active in junior achievement and served as a chair of the 39th Space Congress and president of the Missile and Space Pioneers, where he instills his knowledge and passion to all.
Ladies and gentlemen, WRHS Hall of Fame inductee from the class of 1954, Mr. Walter Yager.